Imagine a world where you could summon a fully autonomous car at the touch of a button, a world where your commute becomes a relaxing experience rather than a stressful one. Is this a futuristic fantasy, or is it a reality that's closer than we think? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most ambitious projects undertaken by a single company, Tesla's robotaxi. Is it real? Let's find out. The promise of autonomous vehicles. Before we delve into Tesla's specific efforts, let's understand the broader context of autonomous vehicles. The idea of self-driving cars has been captivating our imaginations for decades, with science fiction novels and movies painting vivid pictures of a future where machines take the wheel. But is this a mere pipe dream, or is it a technological advancement that's within our grasp? The potential benefits of autonomous vehicles are immense. They could drastically reduce traffic accidents, improve accessibility for those who are unable to drive, and even revolutionize urban planning. By eliminating the need for personal car ownership, autonomous vehicles could alleviate the strain on our city's infrastructure and reduce our carbon footprint. Tesla's ambitions, a visionary future. Tesla, under the leadership of Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. But their ambitions extend far beyond simply producing electric cars. Tesla has a bold vision for a future where autonomous vehicles play a central role in our transportation systems. The company has invested heavily in research and development and has made significant strides in developing self-driving technology. Tesla's vehicles are already equipped with advanced driver assistance systems that can handle tasks such as lane keeping, automatic braking, and even limited self-driving capabilities. The robotaxi concept, a game changer. Tesla's robotaxi concept is a bold and ambitious plan to create a fleet of fully autonomous vehicles that can be summoned on demand. These vehicles would operate without a human driver, relying solely on sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate roads and interact with other vehicles and pedestrians. The idea is to create a transportation network that is more efficient, affordable, and accessible than traditional car ownership. By eliminating the need for drivers, Tesla hopes to reduce the cost of transportation and make it more convenient for everyone. Challenges and concerns. While the potential benefits of Tesla's robotaxi concept are significant, there are also significant challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the safety of autonomous vehicles. Accidents involving self-driving cars have raised questions about the reliability and safety of this technology. Another concern is the ethical implications of autonomous vehicles. For example, what happens if a self-driving car is faced with a situation where it must choose between hitting a pedestrian or swerving into oncoming traffic? These are complex questions that have no easy answers. The road ahead, a balancing act. Tesla and other companies working on autonomous vehicles are aware of these challenges and are working to address them. They are investing heavily in research and development to improve the safety and reliability of their technology. They are also working with policymakers and regulators to develop the necessary framework to support the deployment of autonomous vehicles. The road ahead for Tesla's robotaxi concept is likely to be long and challenging. However, if the company can overcome these challenges and successfully bring this technology to market, it could have a profound impact on the way we live and travel. So, is Tesla's robotaxi real? While it may still be a few years away from widespread adoption, the technology is certainly making significant progress. Tesla's ambitious vision for a future where autonomous vehicles play a central role in our transportation systems is both exciting and inspiring. As we continue to develop and refine this technology, it is essential that we approach it with a sense of caution and responsibility. By addressing the challenges and concerns associated with autonomous vehicles, we can ensure that this technology is used for the benefit of society as a whole. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.